CEO Twist pen chrome. You can tell the plastic is all stuck to them. I bet when I take them off, they're going to be just like these other two. And the plastic or whatever that is ruined. It's all sticky. I gave PSI a quick call today about these CEO pens where the finish is all sticky, as expected. Got right to tech support and they had an answer right away. But I am not optimistic on this answer, so here's my test. The resolution that they gave me was to just wipe them down with a flannel shirt, which we have here, so let's see if it works. Apparently the stickiness is caused by some kind of reaction that they know about. Uh-oh, that looks like it's working. Something to do with temperature between the plastic and this finish, the black enamel. It happens during shipping. And I'll be that, I don't know if you can tell already, that is working.